So the chapter number 2 is your kinetic particle theory. First one was experimental chemistry, experimental techniques, separation or purification techniques was your unit number 1. Unit number 2 is known as kinetic particle theory. First of all, we'll talk about matter क्या होता है basically. Matter क्या होता है? Anything that has a mass and occupies space is called matter. क्योंकि जब हम physics में एक mass की definition देखते हैं, वो mass की definition क्या होती है? The amount of matter. Mass किसकी इक्वल होता है ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. आगे हम जाके mass की भी definition पढ़ेंगे. Mass क्या होता है? The amount of matter. तो matter क्या है? Basically anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now, how is classification of matter? Then this is a very basic topic, so we'll be going through it in a speed. We know that we have three types of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. And this states of matter chapter जो है is very common. ये बहुत ही commonly asked होता है exam में. It is very common question. Mainly your question number 2 and 3 is from kinetic particle theory, or its part is included in every kind of question. You should be knowing the particle arrangement, the expansion, the types, the structure of solid, liquid, and gas, and how are they classified and different from each other. Solid kya hai? Definition: by definition, the matter that has a definite shape and volume, which has a specific constant volume, या उसकी एक ही shape है, a definite shape or a regular shape. इसके particle arrangements की बात करें तो solids, the particles are tightly packed in a regular pattern and can only vibrate at their fixed position. Moreover, solids cannot be compressed and they can also not flow. Because when we talk about the property of flowing, flowing से एक word निकला है fluids का. Remember when I use the word fluid, what is the meaning of fluid? Fluid का मतलब liquid भी होता है, fluid का मतलब gas भी होता है, but solid is not a fluid. So whenever I use the term fluid, I can mean liquid as well, I can talk about gas as well. So the particles are tightly packed in a solid, they have a regular pattern, they can only vibrate at their fixed position, and moreover solids cannot be compressed and also they cannot flow. When I talk about a liquid, liquid by definition is the matter which has a definite volume but no definite shape, and it is known as a liquid. It will attain the shape of the container in which it is taken. For example, एक measuring cylinder में होगा तो वो rectangular shape ले लेगा. अगर वो एक conical flask में होगा तो उसकी shape भी conical हो जाएगी उस पानी की या उस solution की. So it takes the shape of the container. Unlike solid, it does not have a definite shape. Moreover, when we talk about particle arrangements in liquids, the particles have small gaps. If you can see, solids have no gaps. They vibrate about their fixed position. उनके पास तो जगह ही नहीं move करने की. Whereas liquids have small gaps between particles. और gas को हम बाद में देखेंगे. They have very large distances between them. The particles have small gaps and they are arranged randomly and can move randomly. The word randomly must be used in your answer क्योंकि इसको ये ना समझे कि examiner हर दफा ये सवाल देता है तो ये बहुत आसान होगा. Remember कि examiner अगर ये सवाल देता है तो expect करता है कि अगर ये इतना आसान सवाल है तो student at least अच्छे words तो इस्तेमाल करे. आप ये समझ के आ जाएंगे सवाल बहुत आसान है, मैं आंसर भी वही बच्चों वाले जो टिपिकल आंसर होते हैं कि जी द पार्टिकल्स आर फार अवे, दे आर अरेंज्ड रैंडमली, या दे मूव हियर एंड देयर. नहीं, प्रॉपर टर्म्स यूज करें. द पार्टिकल्स हैव स्मॉल गैप्स, जैसे कि दे हैव नो डेफिनेट शेप, दे हैव नो डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम, इस तरह की टर्म्स यूज करें. मोर ओवर लिक्विड्स कैन फ्लो. ठीक है, गैस और लिक्विड दोनों फ्लो कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज आई यूज द टर्म अबव व्हिच वाज नोन एज फ्लूइड्स. फ्लूइड का मतलब ही ये एनीथिंग दैट कैन फ्लो. मोर ओवर दे आर आल्सो डिफिकल्ट टू compress. Moreover, liquids evaporate when they are left open. Gas की बात करें, evaporation हम आगे भी पढ़ेंगे. By definition, gas means the matter which has no definite shape and volume is known as a gas. जिसका ना ही कोई definite shape है, ना ही कोई definite volume है. Liquid का at least एक definite volume जरूर होता है. 5 centimeter of cube of volume 5 centimeter ही रहेगी. ये नहीं कि वो expand करके जी और volume occupy कर ले. Unlike gas. Particle arrangement of gas की बात करें, so gas particles are far away from one another, arranged randomly and are always in a constant random motion. ये सारे particle जितने भी होते हैं किसी भी fluid के, ये होते एक random motion में ही है. एक term थी which was suggested by a scientist known as Robert Brown. Robert Brown ने एक चीज discover की थी which was known as Brownian motion, that all particles move randomly and they are always in a constant random motion. Other than that, gases are easily compressed and gases also show the diffusion phenomena more readily. Diffusion और evaporation को हम आगे मज़ीद डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. Diffusion basically क्या होता है? The movement of particles from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration as a result of their random movement is the complete definition of diffusion. तो ये आपके पास बिल्कुल बेसिक्स हैं of the three types of matter and how you classify solids, liquids and gases.